Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. I hope you guys are doing really well and we are back with our weekly predictions. So as usual, you have 3 pints in front of you. Please make sure to pick one that really speaks to you and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've selected pile 1, then this is what the week ahead holds in store for you. Alright, now first of all, we are going to be arranging all of your cards and then we will get into your reading. From your tarot cards, you have the Fool, you have Seven of Wands, you have Knight of Swords, you have Four of Swords. Along with that, you have Protection, protected by angels, so double protection there, and Love Partnership. All right then, so this week basically you are feeling really good about yourself. So there is this renewed enthusiasm you have. Okay, you feel like you can do and be anything you want. You feel really light this week is what I'm seeing here. Again, for a couple of you, this could actually be the start of something new. You could actually be starting a new job, you could be starting a new hobby, you may be starting a new exercise routine, starting a new course online. Of course, for a couple of you, there is also a chance for you going on holiday this week. Either way, you're feeling good and you're feeling really happy is what I see. Along with that, you this week are really taking your time. You're taking your time to do things your way. In certain cases, you may decide you just want to start something and go easy with it, because you also have the card of Four of Swords. Okay, because you also are taking that step back and playing by your strengths is what I'm getting here. So if you feel like on certain days you want to work, you will really put in your best. On other days, if you feel like you want to relax, you will be doing exactly that. Especially for a couple of you, I also see you starting a new meditation routine, maybe starting a new spiritual journey. That is also possible. For a couple of you, you may actually be heading into spiritual retreats, or maybe taking yoga classes online, taking meditation classes online. That is also definitely a possibility. But again, there is also a sense of healing coming towards you this week. Emotional healing, physical healing. So especially for people who have not been having the ideal health, your health will really see a turn towards the really good is what I'm getting here. But again, please ensure that you are giving yourself whatever it is that you need at this point of time. Especially your diet is one area you have to be very careful in. Okay, make sure you're really staying hydrated, especially with the green juices, especially with the juices, fruit juices. Please ensure you're giving yourself that. Okay, because the nutrition aspect is really coming very strongly here. There is a possibility this week people may not agree with you, or people may not agree with certain choices you make, and as a result of this, there may actually be some arguments. In fact, a lot of heated arguments are definitely on the cards, because if you look at this here, you have a fury climax approaches. So this basically talks about a showdown where you really are at loggerheads with somebody. You say something, the other person says something, and basically nobody is really listening here. Okay, so if that is the situation, please ensure you're really protecting your energies, and once if this argument does happen, you are really cleansing your aura. That is something you really need to do. Either way, there are some choices that you're making about your life, about your lifestyle, that people are not going to agree with, but just ensure that this is a choice that you are 100% sure of and stick to it. Okay, that is something I'm really going to tell you. Along with that, you are also going to be getting a lot of new ideas towards what your future wants to look like. What is it that you want to do now that will really alter your future completely? And maybe that is like a trigger point when it comes to certain people, because they may feel like you are sort of excluding them from the decision making process, or that you're blindsiding certain people. Okay, Either way, there is also a possibility of certain news coming towards you very, very rapidly. So please pay attention to, written letters, emails, phone calls. That is definitely a possibility. In fact, the coming of the phone call can sort of alter a lot of things for you, is also on the cards for you. Again, one area that is really highlighted for you this week is love partnership. Okay, so in certain cases this can actually be you disagreeing with your partner on certain areas, and let me tell you, please take this as a warning. So if something happens, if the other person says something that you get triggered by, please ensure that you're not sort of contributing too much to the argument, because things can really get out of hand quickly. And in fact, love partnership doesn't always have to be like a romantic partnership. This could just be a disagreement with somebody that you love. This can be family, this could be friends. Either way, keep your temper in control. Career wise as well, you could be making a lot of changes, okay, especially for people who want to go for interviews. This is a very good week. In fact, things working out for you is definitely possible. Of course, you may be asked to defend your point of view, so please ensure that you're really well prepared for these interviews. In certain cases, you may be joining a new place of work, in which case I wish you the very best. Either ways, I do see you guys overcoming a lot of obstacles this week, because things that were holding you back in the previous weeks, they are sort of going out of the picture, and you're sort of free to live your life in a way that really speaks to you. Now we will take your numbers for this week. Once again, let me remind you, please cleanse your aura. It's very important. Again, with the number 9, there is sort of a finishing of things. Like there are certain things that you're wrapping up and you're preparing yourself for a new journey. Okay, for certain people, this can also be a change in location, change in housing situation. Like you may move in with a partner, you may move in with parents, or you may decide to move in entirely into a new household. Okay, but either way, you're heading in a very different and a unique direction. For numbers, you have 19, 22, 23, you have 9, and you have number 4. And from your letters, you have E, you have S, you have O, you have O again, you have I, O again. O's are following us. I don't know if you remember from last week, but we had that as well. So C, then you have T, you have T again, you have E and N, and you have V. All right, and you had a Y as well there. All right, so you get the C. Maybe you'll see things clearly now, and maybe once you're seeing things clearly, you'll sort of start to make those changes in your life, and hence the new beginning. Okay, that is also possible, but again, you may find your initials here, and if that happens for you, then please let me know in the comment section down below. But overall, that is your weekly reading. Please ensure that you're really taking care of yourself, and please ensure that you're not losing your temper this week. That is your reading. I wish you guys have a fabulous week ahead. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, then this is what the week ahead looks like for you. So we'll basically arrange your cards first. Self-care. All right, first of all, pile 2, self-care is going to be featuring very prominently in this week as well. Okay, so you have 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, you have Page of Cups, overcoming obstacles, adventure, a time to give rather than to take. Okay, I definitely see a theme here, but first of all, let me tell you, pile 2, you are definitely overcoming a lot of obstacles this week, but most of all, the obstacles that you're overcoming are in your own mind. The blocks that we carry, the limited thinking that we have sometimes, that is something you're definitely overcoming, because the very first card that you have is dig deep. So there is a possibility this week you may actually look deeper than the surface. You'll probably examine things deeply this week. You'll probably be thinking to yourself, what is it that I can do better? What is it that I can do different? What is it that I can do to push myself out of the comfort zone? So, because of all of these questioning, because of going deep within yourself to seek the answers, you're actually getting those answers, and that is sort of helping you to move forward when it comes to your life. And like I said, you're moving out of your comfort zone this week, and you definitely have the adventure showing up as well. So I do believe after this, whatever decisions you take, they are going to be something that is extraordinary, something that you're not really used to on everyday life, something that you're experimenting in a way this week. Okay, of course, for a couple of you may actually head out for an entirely new different adventure, like time with friends, time with family, doing something fun. Okay, because you also have the 10 of cups, which is all about connecting with people we love, connecting with family. So definitely family get-togethers, happy occasions with family, birthdays, anniversaries, celebrations, something that brings you greatest amount of joy is definitely on the cards this week. Along with that, you're also feeling very, very imaginative. You're feeling very creative. So there is a likelihood this week that you'll be engaging in creative pursuits. Now, this could be painting, this could be pottery, or anything that you enjoy. You may alter your look, you may give yourself a makeover, you may really change things around you, interior decorations, anything that comes under the umbrella of creativity, you will be doing that for yourself. Okay, but again, there is an opportunity for you this week to connect with somebody who is younger. Okay, now again, this could be somebody from your family, maybe a cousin, maybe a younger friend who comes to you for advice, and you connecting with this person, that is also very much a possibility. But one thing that I really need to point out here is this week you sort of are feeling a little bit down and out, in a way. Especially I sense this has to do with your financial situation. Probably you may have had certain goals for yourself that you may not have matched yet, but things aren't too late. You can definitely do that in the future is what I'm going to tell you. But again, especially when it comes to your career this week, if you feel like you have not made the progress that you really wanted to make, this is a time to not really focus on what you can get, not really focus on the material rewards, not focus on promotions. Right now your focus, especially for this week, is what you can do to do a better job, what you can do to put yourself ahead of the competition, what you can learn more that will sort of help you in the job market. Okay, so really reflect about what you can do differently. Are you playing it too safe? Are you not really putting yourself out there, or are you really worrying too much unnecessarily? Because pile 2, you have that tendency, let me tell you that as well. And the reason why I say this, because your Moonology card sort of reflects on the same thing. This is a time to give rather than to take. So again, if we go to your romantic situation again, this is like you may especially have encountered some difficulties in romantic areas. So now things are getting better for you. But in this week especially, don't really focus on what you can get from the other person, focus on what you can give. And let me tell you, the love that you have in your heart, give some of that to yourself as well. Okay, because once again, like I said, self-care is going to be featuring very, very prominently for you. So when you're giving to the other person, give so much that it doesn't exhaust you from giving too much. Okay, so make sure you have that balance. But either way, especially in your romantic situation, don't really focus on what your person can do for you. Probably they are not in the right frame of mind this week. So if things go up and down this week, don't really worry too much. Give each other space, respect each other, and just do your best, because some weeks that is all we can do. Okay, that's what I'm getting at. Is just take your numbers. You have number 23, you have 11, number 10, number 19, 27, you have 33, angel number once again, and you have a letter R, you have 5. I'll give you your letters as well. So please let me know this week, pile 2, what are you doing for your self-care? That is something I really need to do. In fact, what is your preferred self-care? Like, what is that one thing that really eases you or helps you relax? Okay, that's something I would really like to know this week. From your letters, you have D, I, U, you have N, you have D again, you have, oh, you have a D and D, do not disturb. So maybe it is really all about self-care this week, and especially when you're digging deep, that do not disturb sign really makes sense. You know, the letters and the universe is sometimes really funny, like the things that come up is something else. Okay, and you have a go as well. So adventures, maybe for a couple of you, you may be actually going on holiday, and outside your hotel room you'll actually put up the do not disturb sign, especially with the 10 of cups. Yeah, a holiday with family, with your spouse, with a partner, very very likely. And you have an U. Okay, so basically those are your letters. Either way, I'll leave you here and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've chosen pile 3, then this is what your week ahead looks like. So let us look into your cards. Cleansing. Okay, I love that. This is one of my favorite cards from the entire deck. You have spirituality. Okay, I'll just place that here so you can see properly. You have your hard work is paying off. Very interesting. You have desert passage. You have 7 of cups. You have judgment, interesting. You have the world. You have star, and you have dream. Okay. So pile 3, the very first thing that I'm going to tell you is, I'll pick this card out. This is your hard work is paying off. Okay, so basically something that you've been working really hard towards is going to show signs of success, and that is almost backed up by the card of the world. Okay, because the world is all about finished projects. It's about having a job well done. It is about that successful completion. So in certain cases, because your hard work is paying off, you can sort of expect that pat on the back from your boss or a mentor, that promotion in certain cases, or definitely a recognition for having done something really well. But let me tell you, even if this is a personal project that you're working on, something like a learning aspect, okay, whatever you're working hard towards, it's really paying off. Like your knowledge base is getting better, you are getting so much more better at it. That is what I'm seeing here. But again, you know, this is really telling me, especially with the dream card, is not to give up. Like there are so many more mountains for you to climb, so many more things for you to accomplish. Okay, so after you have achieved this level of completion, don't sort of reach that level of stagnancy. Of course, you need to relax, you need to celebrate it, but after that, please ensure you're moving towards the next best thing. Because what is happening is, as you are sort of gaining success here, there is almost a sense of complacency that I'm really seeing here. Okay, so please ensure that you're really focusing on your next target here, because of the dream aspect showing up as well. Okay, but again, since having accomplished something really good, after having completed a lot of things on your to-do list, you need to give yourself what you need. And maybe in certain cases for you, it is about that body and spirit harmony. It is about giving yourself physical rest. Okay, so if you need sleep, please ensure you're giving yourself uninterrupted sleep. If you feel like you need self-care, like going to the spa, going to a salon, please ensure you're doing that. But whatever it is, you need to feel good about yourself, you need to do that. Okay, again, because you also have the card of the star. So in certain cases, this can also be you healing from something physical. Yeah, so maybe there is a possibility, especially for a couple of you who may not having the best of health. Maybe your health will get better, but it will require a little bit more care. Okay, so please ensure you're really taking care of yourself. But again, there is another aspect to your reading, especially because the judgment and the world have come together. So in a way, this marks the end of a karmic cycle, end of almost a huge time of your life is what I'm getting here. And you are almost saying a goodbye here, like goodbye to a way of life, goodbye to a way of being. And there is a lot of reflection happening here, there is a lot of forgiveness happening here as well. Okay, and after all of that, you're heading into a new direction entirely. So maybe for a couple of you, after having a job well done, you're probably changing your career entirely, you're changing like your job, or in certain cases this can also be the end of something like probably graduation. Maybe you're finishing school, you're finishing college, and you're heading into the beautiful world of work. Okay, in which cases, let me tell you, pile 3, a lot of new opportunities will show up towards you, because either way, like I said, once you finish with this, don't really stay in for the same position for a lot, move towards the future, because a lot of new doors are opening up for you, a lot of new options are presenting itself towards you. And of course, you may have so many options that you may end up confusing yourself. And at that time, just ensure to take a deep breath, ask yourself what is it that you really want, and then make that choice. Okay, but don't really remain in that dilemma for too long. If a choice presents itself to you, do something you love and just go with it. Okay, that's something I see. But again, for a couple of you, there is also possibility of travel. In fact, travel overseas is also likely for a couple of you, especially those who are going on holiday or business trip, or in certain cases, you are just traveling a new spiritual journey, because you also have the card of spirituality showing up for you with number 77. So this definitely is a hugely important week in your life. Okay, so please pay attention to the events that are happening. And I do believe spiritually your beliefs will be changing a lot in the future, especially if your faith is being tested in certain amount of ways. You may feel like you're going away from spirituality and heading into an entirely new area of spiritual practice. Okay, so pay attention to your emotions this week as well, because there is a likelihood you may be feeling slightly up and down, because when a karmic cycle completes itself, a lot of things happen. Okay, because of which maybe the body and soul calming down is again featuring out here, and the star is here as well. So please ensure you're taking it easy this week. Now I'm going to give you your numbers. You have 11, you have 23, you have number 10, you have 33, angel number once again, you have 19, and from your letters H, you have W, you have A, you have P, you have D, N, you have a G, R, O. Oh, see, you have God again. Like I said, spiritually it's going to be a very important week for you. So this sort of just reinforces that message. So I believe you'll be deeply thinking about your religious beliefs. What do you want from life? What do you expect from your spiritual life? Maybe you're changing a couple of things. A lot of things happening for you this week. It's an action-packed week for sure. Okay, either way, those are your letters for this week. You have V, E, E, R, T, R, A, A, L, U, W, P, H, and you have God showing up for you. And in a way, this is like God acknowledging your future dreams as well, and your future life as well. So wherever you're headed next, like God is already there. God has already seen it, planned it for you, and in fact He is the one showing you the direction, is what I'm really getting here. Very interesting. Please come back and let me know what happens for you this week, because it's very interesting for me to see it from this end. I really want you guys to please come and tell me what you experience at the end of this week. Yeah, either way, this is your reading for you. I wish you the very best. You guys are in my prayers, and whatever is coming next is glorious. Okay, it's like you becoming a new person and you walking a new path of life entirely. I wish you the very best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.